What's up, everybody? This is David with Luna One Mobile, and I had just got this TPMS Relearn tool from Amazon. Cost me about 10 bucks. And when I got my tires rotated, they forgot to recalibrate the sensors. So I'm going to use this tool here to see if I can do a recalibration myself or relearn. All right, so first off, I'm going to turn on the ignition. Turn the ignition to on. Let me shut this door real quick. All right, and then we're going to go over to our menu. We're going to press the menu. Then when you see this, where you see all your tires and your tire pressure, and then when you get to this point, you want to go to the set and clear button and hold it down for a couple of seconds. And it'll bring us to the Relearn menu. So press yes. Let's try that again. All right, now we're in Relearn mode. Let's get out. See if this thing works. All we have to do is press this button here, line it up parallel with your tire's sensor, press it in. All right, there we go. And then we go over to the passenger side in the front passenger side, same thing. There we go. Every time it honks, that means it works. It works. All right. Last one. All right. We have relearned our sensors. Okay, and that's all it is to it. This is a 2014 Chevy Equinox. So now we know it works with the 2014 Chevy Equinox. So it should work with all Chevys. That's my truck up there. So if this ever happens again, I'll be able to do it with that. So until next time.